viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G Bajaj. Today we are going to do the chapter 1 real numbers from NCERT. Now let's do question number 2, exercise 1.1. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 where q is some integer. So in such type of questions, we have to take Euclid's division lemma, right? Here you can see we have been given, we know that 6 is integer, 1 is integer, and q is already being given some integer. It is already being given in your books that q is some integer. So that means this whole and this whole and this whole number will be integer, right? So we have to keep this is equals to a, as Euclid's division lemma says a is equals to bq plus r, right? So here right side is integers as I have told you, right? So a we have to take as positive integer, then only it will be equal, right? So let a be any positive integer. So now here if I compare bq plus r with this 6q plus something, here 1, here 3 and there here 5. So that means b is what? B is 6 here. So I am taking b to be 6. As the condition says r is less than b and it is greater than equal to 0. So accordingly here b is less than 6. So what are the possible outcomes for 6? Possible outcomes of r, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is less than 6, so I cannot take 6 here, and I have started from 0 because it includes 0 as well. So these are the possible outcomes of r which we are going to put up in this equation. So a is equals to bq, b is 6, q plus r. Now we are just going to fill all these values here one by one. Here the question is about positive odd integers, and I know that 6 is even, so I can directly fill only 1, 3 and 5 because I know that this is positive even number. But here I am going to fill all the values because I am doing 2 questions in one. I will be telling you which are even numbers and which are odd numbers. So I am filling all the values here. So when r is 0, then a becomes 6q plus r as 0. That means a is 6q, right? Or if I take 2 common out of it, it becomes this, that 2 into something becomes even, which is even. So that means a is equal to 6q. This is even number. Then I am going to put r to be 1. R is 1. I am going to take all the values one by one. So here a is 6q plus 1. This number is even, and if I add some odd number in it, it will become odd, which is odd. When r is 2, a is equals to 6q plus 2. See, you can see here I can take 2 common out of this, so 2 into something becomes even. That means 6q plus 2 is even. Exactly the same way we can find out the other values. Now put when r is 3, a is equals to bq. B is 6q plus 3. Again even plus odd becomes odd, which is odd. When r is 4, A is equals to 6 cube plus 4. Here again 2 I can take out as common. So again this is even. When R is 5, A is equals to 6 cube plus 5, even plus odd, which is odd. So I have filled all the values of R, possible outcomes of R, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to see, we have already written which is even and which is odd. Your question is about odd integer. If it is about odd integers, you will be choosing all the odd integers. Here A is equal to 6 cube plus 1, this is odd. A is equals to 6 cube plus 3, this is odd. And A is equal to 6 cube plus 5, this is odd, right? So last, we cannot leave it up to here only, it will be abrupt otherwise. We have to write down whatever was mentioned in the question only. Show that any positive odd integer, we have already shown. So we are going to mention hence the same statement, hence any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, or 6 cube plus 5, right? And if the same question is about even, then we will be writing only even numbers. That is why I have filled all the values. I could fill only the odd values because question is about odd integers and I know that 6 is even, right? Here I have filled all the values. If I have to choose even, then I would have and circled even values only, 6 cube plus 2, then 6 cube plus 4, depending upon what is the question. That's it.